Looking to get the most out of your data in HubSpot? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create and manage your own dashboards from scratch or using templates, so you can visualize what matters most and keep your team on track. After watching this tutorial, you'll know how to build dashboards tailored to your workflow, add and arrange the reports you need, and confidently manage your dashboard library like a pro. Let's dive in and start by creating a dashboard. First, log into your HubSpot account and head over to the top navigation. Find Reporting and click on Dashboards. If you haven't done this before, don't worry. Everything you need is right here in a centralized spot. In the Dashboard section, look in the upper right corner for the Create Dashboard button. Go ahead and click it. Now, you'll see the dashboard library pop up. HubSpot gives you a couple of choices here. If efficiency is your thing, you can select a pre-made dashboard template. These templates are great for common use cases like sales, marketing, or customer service. They come packed with relevant reports already set up for you. Just pick the one that matches your needs best and hit Next. On the other hand, if you want full control, choose Blank Dashboard to start fresh. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your dashboard. Make it something descriptive so you and your teammates instantly know its purpose. For example, monthly sales metrics or customer journey insights. Below that, you'll set user access permissions. You can make your dashboard private for solo use, open it up to everyone, or customize who can view or edit. Super helpful if you're collaborating with multiple teams. Once you're ready, click Create Dashboard. HubSpot will spin up your new dashboard workspace instantly. Next up, let's add reports so your dashboard comes alive with data. If you're looking at your freshly made dashboard, look for the Add Report or Add Content button. They do the same thing. Here's where you have some flexibility. You can quickly add reports you've already built and saved, or you can click Create Report to generate a new one from scratch right here. If you're browsing the report library, simply select a report and click Add to Dashboard. Each report you add will help paint a clearer picture of your business performance. Now, once the reports are on your dashboard, don't be afraid to personalize your layout. Drag and drop reports to rearrange them, just like organizing tiles on your phone's home screen. Want to make a chart bigger to see more detail? Grab its edge and resize it until it fits just right. If you ever need to tweak the content of a report, look for the three-dot icon. It's the little menu on each report. Click there to edit the report, apply new data filters, or even remove it if it's no longer relevant. Take your time here. Getting the right mix and arrangement will make your dashboard far more useful day to day. When it comes to managing your dashboards overall, head back to Reporting Dashboards and look for Manage Dashboards in the upper right. Here, you'll find an overview of all your dashboards. Use the Actions dropdown for powerful options. Rename your dashboard to keep things organized. Clone it to quickly create a similar version, or delete dashboards you no longer need for a cleaner workspace. You can also set one dashboard as your default, so it's what you see first every time you log in. Access management is crucial too. Make sure the right people can view or edit each dashboard, especially if you're sharing with leadership or cross-functional teams. Switching between dashboards is easy. Just click the dashboard name in the upper left-hand corner. This brings up a list, letting you jump to another dashboard with a single click. If you have favorite dashboards you visit often, hit the star icon next to their name to add them to your favorites, making future navigation even smoother. That wraps up our walkthrough for mastering dashboards in HubSpot. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful, and you're now all set to organize, visualize, and share your data confidently. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button. Leave any questions or tips in the comments. I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.